Merhaba dostlarımız. Today our lesson is ordinal numbers. We will learn what are ordinal numbers, how we can read, write and pronounce ordinal numbers. Before starting lesson, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So now let's move to our lesson. In English language, one is called cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are called cardinal numbers. But when we talk about ordinal numbers, then we say it first, second, third, fourth, like that. Our basic purpose is to learn ordinal numbers in Turkish language. Şimdi biz sıra sayıları konuşalım. First, birinci, second, ikinci, third, üçüncü, fourth, dördüncü, fifth, beşinci, sixth, altıncı, seventh, yedinci, eighth, sekizinci, ninth, dokuzuncu, tenth, onuncu. Arkadaşlar, to make ordinal numbers, we use four suffixes. İnci, ıncı, uncu, uncu. These are four suffixes which are used in ordinal numbers. Now we will repeat the lesson. Bir, one, birinci, first. İki, two, ikinci, second. Üç, three, üçüncü, third. Dört, four, dördüncü, fourth. Beş, five, beşinci, fifth.